Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to flip keyframes in Blockbench. Flipping keyframes is useful for reusing animations in the opposite direction. First, open your model and switch to the Animate tab. Select the animation you want to work with from the Animations panel. In the timeline, select the keyframes you want to flip. Next, go to the Animation menu in the menu bar and select Flip Animation. This will reverse the movement direction of the selected keyframes. As you can see, the original animation was a 360-degree rotation and it has now been flipped into a reverse rotation. In the keyframe panel, change the interpolation from linear to smooth for a cleaner preview. Play the animation to see the flipped result. And that's how to flip keyframes in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.